Hey guys, Nick Campbell. We are at Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut here, New England's largest Jayco dealership, with some exciting news. We are ending the show circuit this year with our Spooktacular Sales event. It's the 18th through the 20th of October here in South Windsor, 417 John Fitch Blvd, and we are ready to make you and your family the next happy owner of a Jayco. We've got the brand new J Feather on display here, redesigned for 2020, featuring modern farmhouse on the inside. We've got some brand new motorhome floor plans that we've never been able to show before. Brand new J-Flight redesign. The Jayco family really stepped up for model year 2020, and we've got products showing up every day here. And used, we have a ton of used, whether it's a used motorhome, pop-up, expandable, travel trailer, fifth wheel, you name it, we have it here, and it's this weekend. Over 300 RVs on display. We've got spin to win set up in the store. Everyone's a winner. Free toilet paper guaranteed, but the grand prize is a gift card. And some other cool stuff here. Weight distribution hitches on anything. Used travel trailer, new travel trailer, free R3 weight distribution hitch, free non-slide fifth wheel hitch on any fifth wheel, new or used. And for those of you taking your adventure on the road in a motorhome, $500 gift card to our store. Special finance packages here. I think it's really going to be a good event for you and your family to come down and save some money before the snow flies. So again, it's Pete's RV Center, 417 John Fitch Blvd. Lunch is on us Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 3. Come on down, get a slice of pizza with you and your family, and we'd love to have our factory trained staff help you out. Thanks.